Welcome dear students, welcome to EduHunt video lessons, and this is Pushpalata dealing with biology. ఈరోజు మనం ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన టాస్క్లో నుంచి కొన్ని మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్, మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ టైప్, ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్, కరెక్ట్ అండ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నీట్ మోడల్లో చూద్దాం. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద టాపిక్. Yes dear children, let's start our multiple choice questions. So the normal albumin to globulin ratio in blood is, it is 1:2. Sex chromatin is present in, it is a drumstick like lobe in lobe of neutrophil. Yes, sex chromatin is present in the form of a drumstick like lobe in the neutrophil cell. Eosinophilia is caused by, it is caused by all the above. Blood group antigens are, we know that we have different antigens on the surface of RBCs. Okay, on A type of blood group, persons having A group have antigen A on the surface of RBC. Like that, B persons have B antigen. Along with that, we have RH antigens also. RH are also present on the surface of RBC. Let's answer this question. Blood group antigens are found in HB molecule? No. So found in plasma? No. So found on surface of RBC? This is the correct answer. Adult HB has, we have already discussed that there are different HBs, hemoglobins. Adult type 1 and 2 and fetal HB. Adult HB has 2 alpha chains are common in every hemoglobins. The differentiating polypeptide chains are the second one, whether they are beta or gamma or delta, depending on the type of the second type of polypeptide chains, the hemoglobin type is decided. 2 alpha and 2 beta, this is adult hemoglobin polypeptide chains. Alpha and that is gamma, it is present in fetal hemoglobin. So in 2 alpha, delta, 4 alpha. So adult hemoglobin possess 2 alpha and 2 beta. Hemoglobin F, that is fetal hemoglobin has, it has 2 alpha and 2 gamma. 2 alpha and 2 gamma. This is present in type 1 adult and type 2 adult. This is the 2 alpha and 2 gamma are present in fetal hemoglobin chains. Lifespan of platelet is, it is approximately 4 days. Maximum concentration of hemoglobin normally found in RBC. What is the percentage of hemoglobin in RBC? It is about 36%. Mature RBC contains enzymes of TCA cycle. What is TCA cycle? Try carboxylic acid cycle, Krebs cycle, both are same. Citric acid cycle anna, tricarboxylic acid cycle anna and Krebs cycle anna, rendu anni same. అవన్నీ కూడా మైటోకాండ్రియాలో జరుగుతాయి. బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ మెచ్యూర్ ఆర్బీసీ అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి మెచ్యూర్ ఆర్బీసీ ల్యాక్ మైటోకాండ్రియా, ఎండోప్లాస్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం, గోల్గి కాంప్లెక్స్ లైక్ ఆర్గనెల్లీస్. So we have already discussed in the previous sessions that mature RBC, they respire through anaerobic respiration. In mature RBC, anaerobic respiration takes place. Anaerobic is nothing but only CO2 is liberated out without taking oxygen. If it takes oxygen, it has to undergo some steps, some cycles. So first is the glycolysis. Glycolytic enzymes are present in the RBC. So glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is common, but the thing that is absent is mitochondria. That is why these two cycles do not take place in the RBC. So this is the correct option. Glycolytic enzymes are present in mature RBC. Blood colloidal osmotic pressure mainly maintained by which plasma protein? It is maintained by albumin. So albumin is the protein which maintains the osmotic pressure of the blood. Mammalian RBCs are, we know that they lack nuclei and also biconcave and circular. Yes, the first one is the correct option. Biconcave, circular and non-nucleated. Globulin protein of blood plasma mainly involved in the globulin. We have two different types of proteins, albumin, globulin. Along with that, in plasma there are several proteins like they involve in the fibrinogen that involve in the clotting process. So globulin protein is of the blood mainly involved in defense mechanism, because various globulin proteins, they offer protection against antigens, various antigens and various foreign bodies that enter the organism, and also they interact and they produce the antibodies. So defense mechanism in which antibodies are produced to fight against the foreign objects. Which WBCs resist infections and are also associated with allergic reactions? Eosinophils. Persons with dash and dash blood group are called universal recipients, universal donors respectively. Universal recipients means they can take blood from any person. So universal recipient is AB positive and universal donor is O negative. So that is the answer. ABO blood grouping is based on surface antibodies on the RBC. This is quite wrong, because antibodies are not present on the surface of RBC. Surface antigen on WBC and surface antigen on RBC. Plasma antigens, ప్లాస్మాలో యాంటీబాడీస్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ రెండు కట్ చేస్తే సర్ఫేస్ యాంటీజెన్ ఆన్ WBCయా RBCయా? We know that it is RBC. Surface antigens on the RBC, they decide what group the person has. So this is regarding the session, dear students, and we have answered these bits regarding blood groups and various components of blood, that is plasma and blood cells, elements of blood. In the next session, we'll meet with more questions and answers. Goodbye.